Hello everyone, welcome to Yellow Pages Nursing. In today's video, we will be discussing about classification of hemorrhagic shock. Before entering into this session, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive instant notification. Let's get into the session. What is hemorrhagic shock? Hemorrhagic shock is a form of hypovolemic shock in which severe blood loss leads to inadequate oxygen delivery at the cellular level. Now, classification. There are 4 classes of hemorrhage that are based on the amount of blood lost. They are Class 1, otherwise called initial stage, Class 2, otherwise called compensatory stage, Class 3, also known as progressive stage, and Class 4, known as refractory stage. Now, let's discuss each one based on the amount of blood loss. Class 1 up to 15%, that is 750 ml of blood loss. Class 2 15 to 30%, that is 750 to 1500 ml of blood loss. Class 3 30 to 40%, and that is 1500 ml to 2000 ml blood loss. And class 4 includes over 40%, that is more than 2000 ml of blood loss. Now, let's discuss about the clinical changes in each of the classification. First comes blood pressure, which is normal in class 1 category. Increased diastolic blood pressure is seen in class 2. Systolic blood pressure less than 100 is seen in class 3, and systolic blood pressure less than 70 is seen in class 4. Heart rate normal in class 1 category. Slight tachycardia is present in class 2 category. Tachycardia more than 120 beats per minute is seen in class 3, and tachycardia more than 140 beats per minute is seen in class 4. Next comes respiratory rate, which is normal in class 1, increased in class 2. Tachypnea more than 30 is seen in class 3, and extreme tachypnea is present in class 4. Next comes mental status, which is normal in class 1. There is slight anxiety and restlessness in class 2. Confused state is present in class 3. Lethargy and coma is seen in class 4. Next comes skin. Skin is paler in class 1. Pale and cool skin is seen in class 2. Sweating is present in class 3. Extreme sweating will be present in class 4. Next comes urine output, which is normal in class 1. 20 to 30 ml per hour is seen in class 2. 20 ml per hour is seen in class 3. And in class 4, it may be negligible or anuric. Next comes bowel sound, present in class 1. Hypoactive bowel sound seen in class 2. Absent in class 3 and class 4. Next comes capillary refill, which is normal, that is less than 2 seconds in class 1, more than 2 seconds in class 2, with cold and clammy skin. More than 3 seconds cool and pale skin in class 3. More than 3 seconds cold mottled skin in class 4. When we look at this initial stage, that is class 1, the clinical changes are normal and the patient is asymptomatic. And skin may be normal or become pallid. But when we look at the class 4 or refractory stage, it is a life-threatening one where it can lead even to organ failure, and there is no compensatory mechanism. And furthermore, in class 1 or the initial stage, compensatory mechanism helps to maintain cardiac output, and there is no changes occurring in blood pressure, pulse pressure, or respiratory rate. Blood volume is generally restored within 24 hours, and replacement of fluid loss is generally unnecessary in this stage. In class 2 or compensatory stage, cardiac output decreases, which initiates several compensatory mechanisms. At this stage, replacement of fluid becomes necessary. In progressive or class 3 stage, compensatory mechanism begins to fail and impaired tissue perfusion occurs. At this stage, stopping the hemorrhage is priority and generally blood transfusions are necessary. Refractory stage or class 4 is a life-threatening one. Compensatory mechanisms deteriorate and organ failure ensues. An immediate and rapid fluid transfusion of crystalloids, colloids, and blood transfusion is required. Surgery may also be indicated in some cases to compensate the blood loss. So this is all about classification of hemorrhagic shock. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe it, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive instant notifications. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.